Hello, and today I will explain about my proposal of thesis and internship with the title of E-Learning Content Development in Data Visualization with Python Programming. First, we will talk about the introduction. Uh, First, we will talk about the background. The concept of e-learning has been growing rapidly over the past few years. Specifically, it has been an integral part of our culture in the year of 2020 due to the normal policy from the government. Despite the fact that learners may have their own subjective preferences toward the concept of e-learning, we could not deny some of its benefits. First, the use of e-learning makes education available with high flexibility, independent of time and location. Second, new possibilities to implement a new pedagogical system will be available for the content creator, and a new approach in teaching that offers a more dynamic delivery methods and to focus on the independence of the learners. In addition, the learning process in an e-learning environment will result in better understanding for the learners since the learners can choose their most preferred learning conditions. And therefore, the content creation of e-learning must be driven by a good content approach with structured and clear delivery of the materials. The problem that we will address in this research is in the educational world today, the rise of e-learning has forced many institutions to update their curriculum due to the rise of e-learning. And thus, a module that supports online learning needs to be developed further. And there are the objective of the research, which is to point towards creating an online Python programming module that focuses in data visualization creating to created to maximize the opportunities of the students to be able to acquire this knowledge in a more flexible way. And the significance of study, uh, this research creates a high significance for the students through the currently rising online learning platform. Due to the currently developing trend of e-learning system, students should be more attracted and willing to subscribe to this course. And there are two questions that are addressed in this research and are going to be answered. Question number one is how to create a module which is suitable for an e-learning platform. And the second question is how to ensure the students' comprehension of the materials delivered through the online platform. And for this study, there are some assumptions that have been created. The first assumption is that students will attend all the courses in chronological order according to the schedule that is provided. And the second assumption is students will do all the assignments and projects given and submit them on time to receive full points. And the third assumption is students will actively participate during courses to increase learning productivities. And we will continue to the next section, which is the research methods. So the concept of e-learning has been growing rapidly over the past few years. It has been an integral part to our culture in 2020 due to the new normal policy, and many e-learning modules are available throughout the internet. However, most of them are constructed without a systematic approach in the development of its content, which result in poor and incomplete learning experience for its learners. The implication of the content development for data visualization using Python programming language provides a framework for the learner to further understand the materials, and in addition, it also provides a good pedagogical approach for the e-learning environments, which result in proper integration of the e-learning into the current educational system. Improving the material delivery will significantly improve the learning process of the learners. With that to say, a systematic approach in content delivery will be crucial for the success of the content development. The research methodologies are as follows. So first, we have a problem identification stage, and the purpose in this step is to identify the existing problem in a given company. The problem was found that the current e-learning content for data visualization using Python programming is still not developed properly, which results in the difficulty in the material delivery system in the company. And the second is the curriculum development. So the development of the curriculum is done to improve the current curriculum to create a better module for the delivery of the material. And the third one is the content development stage. Uh, this stage is designed to suit the needs in the company. Since the curriculum will be used within the company itself, the target learners of the module is mainly consisting of the workers inside the company itself. Therefore, the types of materials that will be developed should be suitable for the target learners of this project. The fourth step of the research methodology is the implementation stage. This will be launched and distributed to the learners after the prototype is approved by the given company. And the learners will have the privilege to access the content of this module to acquire the knowledge of data visualization using Python programming. And the fifth step of the research methodology is the conclusion and recommendation. The recommendation can be acquired after the research has been conducted and the module has successfully been distributed to the learners. The recommendations can be useful for future researches. And next, we have the place and time of research. So, research on e-learning content development in data visualization will be carried out in the following conditions. So, the name of the institutions is PT Artiva Sukses Persada, or PT Asperio for short. The address is Jalan Jababeka 4 di Blok 582, Kawasan Industri Jababeka, Cikarang, Bekasi. And the time which the research will be conducted is from February 2021 to June 2021. And there are preliminary studies that were carried out in the year 2020. And next we have the author data, which is the name of the author is Bryan Louis Febianto with the student ID number of 117070005 in the Department of Industrial Engineering of Swiss German University. And next we have the closing statement. With this research proposal, we hope to be able to perform the research at PT Artiva Sukses Persada or PT Asperio. The author would like to thank the team of the company at which this research will be conducted. Hopefully, this proposal will be taken into consideration. And here's a quick look into the references. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you all have a great day.